American Roots is a partnership of Old Salem and the Moravian Music Foundation, an all-Saturday event celebrating music, art, and culinary art of early Americana and the early Moravians. Some music is outdoors and free. Some music is within the exhibit buildings. In order to experience some of the really interesting and creative interpretations throughout Old Salem, you will want to go by the Old Salem Visitor Center and get a ticket. The first scheduled event of the day is a participatory workshop on shape note singing. This workshop will be at the Archie K. Davis Center. That's the home of the Moravian Music Foundation and the Moravian Archives. Easy parking is found in the Salem College Fine Arts Center. If you are already in Old Salem, go to the top of Church Street at the gates to God's Acre and walk down the driveway beside Cedarhurst. At St. Philip's Church, the Brick Church, the Moravian band in costume will play. Just across from Salem Square, a string group, the Appalachian Strings, will play at the John Vogler House. Just down the block at the Single Brothers House, the Tannenberg organ will be played. There will be music in the backyard of the boys' school at 11 o'clock a.m., 1 o'clock p.m. Situated firmly in this year's celebration is Johann Friedrich Peter's Ode in Thanksgiving to God for Peace in the Land, 1783. This observance became the earliest organized celebration of 4th of July in the nation. Tickets may be acquired at www.moravianmusic.org.